Alright, got this tube from Walmart. It's looks real fancy, not really. Gotta take the old tube out. I guess just pull it out. That's the old one. Get that out of the way. Now this new one's gonna be interesting. Alright. I guess just slide it on in. Okay. And we're gonna have to get it on, I guess, this rim. Alright, find your valve cover hole. Line it up. Take the cap off, I guess. I don't know if it makes a difference, but it might go on a little bit smoother without the cap in the way. Get the thing in the hole. Still in there. Now let's see if this thing holds some air, or if we're gonna have to massage it around some more. Alright, you gotta make sure, and with the kit that comes with these things, you gotta get in the edge and make sure the tire's behind the lip with the tube before you inflate. Alright, let's inflate and see where it goes. Alright. She's in there. New tube. Alright. Go ahead and put the cap back on. Put this back on the bike now. Alright. Now just put this back up here. Slide it on. Just right. You gotta put your little clamps in there. Make sure it goes on the hole. And then you got one on the other side. Basically, you I guess it's like a locking washer. Put these back on. Alright, let me get out the wrench. I'll have to put you down for a second. And hopefully these are the right ones if Houston didn't mess with them. Alright, good and tight. We're good to go. Just gotta fix this chain, which all I gotta do is throw it back on the sprocket. Easy peasy.